Eziduct offers the best and largest range of Australian-designed and engineered dust collection and fume extraction products on the market. The range offers new and innovative designs by qualified Australian engineers with decades of experience. Because of this, all the units have outstanding performance and are efficient to operate. The dust collection and fume extraction units are also among the most economical to purchase on the market. All dust collection and fume extraction products are supported with full technical backup from the qualified mechanical engineers of Pollex Environmental Engineering. We spoke to customers of Eziduct and Pollex to basically catch up with how the machines are working for them.
Here today at Katoomba at Against the Grain. Pollex and Eziduct installed a large dust collection system for their Hardwoods timber factory. We installed an MDC 36,000P reverse pulse dust collector. This consists of 150 square metres of filter surface area. It has reverse pulse filter cleaning and it's all driven by a 45 kilowatt extraction fan. The extraction fan is positioned on the clean side of the system, which means that there are no dust particles that actually go through the fan, and it means you get better life for the fan impeller. It also means that we can use a much higher efficiency fan by having the fan on the clean side of the system. With Against the Grain, they wanted a system where we could transfer the waste collected to a silo and then finally into a briquetting machine. After the dust goes into the dust collector, it is fed through a rotary valve, which is an airlock. From that airlock, we have a transfer fan which transports that dust from the rotary valve up through to the silo, and then the return air then comes back through the inlet of that same fan, and it becomes a closed loop circuit. The dust from the silo is then fed through a second rotary valve which goes through to the briquetting machine. Timber dust is susceptible to bridging. So in order to prevent any risk of blockages in the system, we incorporated a series of vibrating screens inside the silo which agitates the dust, allowing it to flow properly through the rotary valve and through into the briquetting machine. The main dust collection unit is capable of over 30,000 metres cube per hour of airflow. The pressure that the system works against is about 3,500 pascals. The entire system is controlled by an electric control panel which is supplied by Pollex and Eziduct. Inside the control panel we have a variable speed controller. This is designed to regulate the amount of airflow through the system at any given time. For example, if any of the slide dampers at the machines are closed off when those machines aren't required, the system will automatically ramp down or ramp up in speed and achieve the actual airflow requirement. I'm here today with Dave Spees, he's the Managing Director of Against the Grain. Dave, how would you say that the level of dust has been at the individual machines since the new system has been installed?
It's certainly been a less, as I would say, the dust around the machines is considerably less. We find that we don't have as much dust around in the air as well, so it's a lot cleaner environment. It's increased our production as well because the guys having to clean up or change bags what we had on the old system, so it's certainly been a huge improvement.
Fantastic. Has there been any additional maintenance that's required for the system, or has it been fairly self-sustaining?
It's pretty maintenance free to the point that all we've got to do is go out and check our briquette machine to make sure that the next bin that we have to fill up from our waste is not overflowing. So, you know, we pretty much don't need to check anything for probably a good 6 hours every day.
Okay, fantastic. The type of system that we installed for you is a reverse pulse type system, and that has constant cleaning so that the amount of suction is designed not to reduce throughout the course of the day. Is it fair to say that the amount of suction is constant throughout the day while you're running the equipment?
Yeah, it doesn't change much at all. We shut off a few systems out there, but most of the time the guys they're free to roam from one machine to the other without changing anything much at all. The power consumption stays pretty much even. I would say from what we had previously, we're probably not, it wouldn't be much of an increase in power because of all the other smaller systems we had throughout the factory.